Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel eSpot Tunes. Today I will show you how to change a picture color in MSWord 2013. Let's start now. First open Microsoft Word document. Then insert a picture in document area. Go to insert and go to destination folder. Select image which picture you want to insert document area, then select, then click insert. Then select this object or picture and go to format. Then you can see there have color. First option is color saturation. There have many saturation options. You can use as you want. Then there have a color tone. You can use as you want. Then there have a recolor option. And you can use set temp transparent color. Then there have a brightness and contrast option. You can easily change Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.